Hello, this is Mr. Dairyman. That was one of my favorite songs to introduce this video. You're here, I think, because you're choosing to do an atom model and you've clicked on the tutorial for making the atom model card that will hang from the model. This will include information from the instructions that you already have in your notebook and make it an easy template for you. Everything's already typed up. All you need to do is punch in the information and possibly change some of the text that I already have in place. So if you look at the first card here, I have my name up, but you're going to want to backspace that all out and type in your own name. But for right now, we'll leave it Mr. Dairyman because you know what to do with that. And that'll help me when you print your information because your name will be on your page. I'll print it for you and hand it to you so you could use scissors to cut up this information and paste on a 5x7 note card. I'll give you the 5x7 note card, you'll get the printout, you cut it, you paste it, and that'll all be done at school. Save your parents some ink. You're going to want to put in your element name, whatever it might be, if it's helium or carbon, sulfur, or whatever. I chose silicon right now just to have as the example. For down here, you just type in your numbers of protons, your number of neutrons, your number of electrons. This all stays on the card. The electron arrangement simply could be given as a 2, 8, 8, maybe 32, if that's what it is. You provide the information. It's pretty self-explanatory, easy typing. Your next slide, according to your directions, you need a description of your element. Your description describes the element. What's it look like? Is it hard? Is it soft? How does it appear? Where might we get it from? So a brief paragraph here on the description of your element. Chemical properties, again, from your research, what does it react to? Does it burn easily? Is it used in fuels? Does it rust? You should have all that information or be working on it as we speak. Uses in compounds, again, uses would be in industry. Is it used in factories? Is it mixed with other metals? Is it used for building construction? Is it used in medicines? There's all kinds of uses for elements. You could also talk about some compounds. Does it bond to anything else? If you're using salt, Na, does salt bond to something else, like Na bonded to Cl? So you could put a compound for sodium as NaCl. Or if you're chlorine, you could have Ca, calcium bonded to Cl, or CaCl2. So you can search my element in compounds, and it'll certainly bring up lots of compounds that contain your element. Use compounds that we are familiar with. Health-related information, again, is your element toxic if swallowed? Is it already in your body, keeping you healthy? Does it harm animals and bugs or mosquitoes? Is it hard on fish? Mercury, if you had mercury, is it bad for fish to have mercury deposits in their bodies? Tons of health-related information in your research. It'll be on your worksheet that you're doing on your project. Last thing for the card, 3 pictures. Pictures don't want to be huge because you have to fit them on a 5x7 card. 3 pictures, squeeze them on this card, or they can be materials that your element is used in. If you have iron, you could put a picture of steel because iron is mixed with carbon to make steel. So it leaves you a little bit of choice. Once you have your 4 slides all typed out, this is where the magic all happens. You need to go into Print Preview, right down here, Settings and Preview, and that'll bring up your slides. And the magic is we want to switch to 4 slides on 1 page. That way I can print out all your slides on 1 page. Your name will be on it already, and all of this information will come to you in 1 sheet. You then can use scissors to cut out your information and paste on the front and the back of your 5x7 card. Again, all printed out for you. You typed it in. I'll print it here at school, and as part of maybe classwork or homework, you can paste your information on your 5x7 card, and that gets attached to your Atom model. I'm going to have a link of this template on your student agenda for Element Research. Look for it. You should be able to click on the template. You will want to make a copy. Make a copy so you can edit the information. The link that I have on there will be view only, so don't try to edit my view only copy. You have to make your own copy, name it, it'll be saved, and then we'll probably have you email me the slideshow. And when I see your emails coming up, I can then print them out. You'll want to put slideshow, or excuse me, you'll probably want to put Atom model and Atom model note card, Atom model, Atom model note card should be fine. That way I know what it is and I know to print it for you. I hope this gives you all the information you need. You can certainly rewatch my video. Feel free to do that, and I'll certainly take any questions as we keep working. Please use the tutorial. Good luck and happy information getting. Bye bye now.